Hello everyone, this is a box from motocnc.com. This has the handlebar razors for Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. So let's dig in and check what do we have in the box. We got a couple of hardwares. And the visiting card. So it looks very premium in hand and very heavy. Okay, so let's fit this on our bike and check out the difference. So we have to remove these 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Let me remove those and continue with the video. Okay, we have undone these 3 bolts. Now we have to pop this handle up like this. Okay, now we'll insert this razor. Align this using the tool. Full tight ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. This is the status after adding the razors, and if you can see the difference on the height, the left one is the original one, the right is with the razor bar. So let me quickly change the left one as well, because this is the completed setup with the handlebar razors. I just took a test ride and it feels very comfortable. Only disadvantage which we have in this version is you won't have access to suspension adjuster anymore. You have to undo everything to adjust your suspension. Thank you. This is from the other angle. I'll leave the link in the description for this product. Thank you.